Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please, if you are watching, if you are awake or you are sleeping and you have received a notification, we are calling on all Biafrans in Anambra State. We are calling on all Biafrans in Anambra State to wake up anywhere you are in Anambra State. We are calling on Biafrans to wake up because the house of Barrister Ejiofor is under serious attack. Those of you in Anambra State, our leader has given the order, every exit leading to Anambra State must be blocked. All exits to Anambra State must be blocked. This is a direct order from our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every exit leading to Anambra State immediately must be blocked. And those who are disposed, you are requested to go directly, mobilize yourself, and go to Barrister Ejiofor's house. He must be saved. We must repel this attack. As I speak now, Barrister Ejiofor's house is under siege. If you are awake and you are part of our defense, you are part of ESN, you are now requested to wake up, mobilize yourself, block every exit leading to Anambra State, block all exits in Biafra land. The attackers cannot go free. Barrister Ejiofor must be saved. His house is under serious attack as I speak. This order is coming directly from our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want everyone to share this video. Not only that, for those who are part of our defense, you are requested to pick up your phones, mobilize yourself, block every exit in Anambra State, block every entrance in Anambra State, and make sure that the attackers are dealt with. You know that the hour has come, and this is not the first time they are attempting or making attempt on the life of Barrister Ejiofor. Barrister Ejiofor must be saved. We are going to do everything to make sure that he is not assassinated today. Everybody in Anambra State, all our defense, all ESN in Anambra State is hereby ordered to go and block every exit entrance leading to Anambra State and straight go to Ejiofor's compound and make sure nothing happens to Barrister Ejiofor. He must be protected. He must be saved. And on this note, let this alert also go to everybody in Anambra and everyone in Biafra land. The siege in Ejiofor's compound must be dislodged. The siege in Ejiofor compound, Barrister Ejiofor's compound, the siege must be dislodged. He has to come out alive from his own compound. He must not be killed today. And I know that the people that are attacking, that has gone to his house to attack, they are listening, because we know that they are following the program 24/7. If you are listening and you are part of the defense, you are requested, mobilize yourself. Every entrance leading in and out of Anambra State must be blocked. The people that have gone to assassinate, Barrister Ejiofor and every person in his compound, they must not go free. Let this war be declared today. If anything happens to Barrister Ejiofor, if anything happens to Barrister Ejiofor, we are calling also on the governor of Anambra State, Willie Obiano. If anything happens to Barrister Ejiofor today, the war will start in Anambra State. And on this note, all our gallant men, you are hereby ordered to go mobilize yourself and make sure that the attack on the compound of Barrister Ejiofor is repelled. This is an order from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. In a couple of hours to come, we will all be listening, we will all be ears to know how this attack has been repelled and that nothing will happen to Barrister Ejiofor. We know that in the odd hour, that is when the enemy will always attack. They go and invade your privacy, invade your home while you are deep asleep. As I am speaking right now, Barrister Ejiofor's house has been surrounded and nothing must happen to him. The order has been given. Thank you. And for those of you who are yet to sleep, I can see a lot of people are already online. I will be coming back in a few minutes. I will be coming back again live in a few minutes. The time and the hour has come when we no longer sleep. I will be coming back, so stay tuned. Thank you.